Hi, I'm Rose Jacobs and you're watching 𝐊𝐿𝐼𝐴 TV live from Sydney. This is the Stocks in Action show. In today's show, we'll be looking at a few recent updates from the ASX listed companies, along with a quick glance at developments from ASX 200. Let's look at stocks that are under the spotlight today, and starting with the shares of ASX listed telecommunications company Telstra Corporation, which is currently trading up. The company has announced that Telstra Health has entered into a binding agreement to acquire leading GP clinical and practice management software. That's the company Medical Director. Telstra Health acquired the company for an enterprise value of $350 million. Melbourne-headquartered Telstra Health is the digital health arm of Telstra Corporation. Medical Director is a modern clinical and practice management solution. It supports general practitioners and other medical specialists to focus on providing high-quality care and reducing time on paperwork and administration. Medical Director also supports consultations by medical practitioners through a comprehensive patient medical record. It's including electronic prescriptions, options for virtual consultations, patient care plans, real-time alerts about drug safety and drug interaction, and a range of other functionalities. Medical Director has been in the healthcare business for more than 25 years and is currently supporting more than 23,000 medical practitioners. It delivers more than 80 million consultations per year. Medical Director is being acquired from funds advised by Affinity Equity Partners, with the transaction likely to complete in the first quarter of the financial year 2021. Next, we cover Insurance Australia Group, a Sydney-headquartered multinational insurance company. Its chairman, Elizabeth Bryan, announced some major changes to the company's board today. Bryan will retire from the company on the 22nd of October this year and will be succeeded as chairman by Tom Pockett. Pockett has been a director of IAG since 2015 and is chairman of the Audit Committee. A second director, Duncan Boyle, will also retire from the IAG's board on the 22nd of October of this year. Bryan informed that 3 new directors will be joining the board as part of an ongoing process of board renewal. Moving on, we'll take a look at �〆 Group, an Australian multinational contractor. Its shares were trading down as the company has announced today that its construction business, CPB Contractors, has secured the early contractor engagement contract, and that's for Dunedin Hospital inpatient building from the New Zealand Government's Ministry of Health. The contract phase will take around 18 months, alongside designing and a follow-on delivery phase. The government would confirm further CPB contractors' involvement in the delivery of the inpatient building in 2023. The new Dunedin Hospital project is the single largest hospital project ever undertaken in New Zealand. The inpatient building provides high-quality medical facilities, services layout, and supports its own role as a tertiary teaching hospital. It will include 421 beds and will be on a site in central Dunedin. 𝐶IMIC's construction arm has provided several essential health facilities in New Zealand and in Australia throughout the past. CPB Contractors has experience in delivering significant new hospitals. It seeks to apply this expertise to make a positive contribution to the new Dunedin Hospital. And now it's time for a short break, but stay tuned as I'll be back with more trending updates for the Australian market.
Hi, I'm 𝐾𝐲𝐴, and get ready to take the crypto ride with me on 𝐊𝐿𝐼𝐴 TV. Watch the Crypto Buzz every Tuesday and join the excitement at 𝐊𝐿𝐼𝐴 TV. From Bitcoins to NFTs to 𝐷ogecoin and DeFi, we have updates about everything around these digital currencies. Understand the investing rationale and the risks involved in the space with me, 𝐾𝐲𝐴, on Crypto Buzz. Keep watching 𝐾ALKINE TV.
Welcome back. I'm Rose Jacobs, your host live from 𝐾ALKINE studio in Sydney, and you're watching the Stocks in Action show. Let's take a look at 4D Medical, a medical technology company. Its shares are trading up today after the company shared that it has signed a contract with multinational pharmacy company Novartis. The contract is signed for the commercial use of its XV lung ventilation analysis software, I should say. The contract represents the first commercial use of the software in the pharmaceutical industry. It will be used to assess patient outcomes in a clinical program focused on novel therapies to treat chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. This is the third highest cause of death in the world. The clinical program will be conducted at the University of Miami in the US under the company's Functional Lung Imaging Research Program to advance breakthrough lung technology. Finally, let's take a look at Dicker Data. Shares of this technology hardware, software and cloud distributing firm were up after the company shared on today that the acquisition of the Exceed Group is now completed. The purchase price is $68 million on a cash-free, debt-free basis. The acquisition funding is supported by a cash advance facility from Westpac. Established in 2002 and headquartered in Auckland, Exceed is the second largest IT distributor in the New Zealand market. The acquisition of Exceed will provide Dicker Data New Zealand with the platform to rival the largest distributor in the New Zealand market, using a mixture of unique local market knowledge and access to an increased range of world-leading brands. The arrangement will propel Dicker Data New Zealand to become the second largest IT distributor in New Zealand, with an estimated revenue of over $500 million for the combined entities. Before wrapping up, let's quickly glimpse through developments across equity and commodity markets. We'll start first with ASX 200 performance. The ASX 200 is up today. News Corporation is up 7.88%, while Unibail Rodamco Westfield is up 5.62%. 9 of 11 sectors were higher, along with the ASX 200 index. Information technology is today's best performing sector, while materials is the worst performing sector. But that's all for now. Stay tuned to 𝐾ALKINE TV for more live market updates, and we'll be back with more news on markets, the economy and diverse themes and sector.